Oh my god. It is raining and it's sunny at the same time. It's raining and it's sunny at the same time. Just what? I made this video because I made this video because it's raining outside and shining at the same time. I mean, this is just abnormal to me. I mean, May could be normal. Sorry, it's the sun. But it just happened. It's happening. Oh my god, look at the proof. There's water there. And wait. Yeah, it's raining. At least I get to see the sun better. Good thing no one on the camera. I guess that's all I have to say. Well, just so you know that. Bye. Actually, one more thing. That's the car. It's wet. And yep, bye. Well, I guess that's all I have to say, I guess. Just so you know about this abnormal sunny rain. See you next time.